Welcome to another episode of the Letter Portrait series. Today we will design a portrait using the letter C. First, create a new file by clicking on Create New. Enter the values and resolution size, then hit Create. Now add a gradient adjustment layer and follow the process. Both color codes are in the description for you to use in your design. In the gradient panel, choose the style to radial and adjust your scale accordingly. Next, pick the type tool and type the letter C. I'm using the 𝗖ʰ𝗶𝗍𝗲 font. You can find the font link in the description. Increase the size of the letter C. Now, open your desired image. Unlock the image layer and remove the background from the Properties panel. Right-click and choose Apply Layer Mask. Copy this image and paste it onto the main canvas. Decrease the opacity of the image layer. Right-click on the image and choose Flip Horizontal. Then adjust the image according to the letter C. Increase the opacity, then add a mask to the image layer. Right-click on the text layer and choose Select Pixels. Go to Select and choose Inverse Selection. Select the mask, then pick the brush tool. Make sure your foreground color is black, and paint the image like this. Again, inverse the selection and follow the process. Now, go to the blending options for the text layer. You can add a stroke, an inner shadow, and even in drop shadow for a truly unique effect. We hope you're enjoying this series. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more inspiring tutorials in the future.